These are the famous Badami cave temples, dating back to the 6th century. Each cave tells a story of Hindu, Jain, and Buddhist art beautifully sculpted into the rock. Look closely at the carvings of Shiva, Vishnu, and Jain Tirthankars, timeless masterpieces of Indian architecture. Down below lies the serene Agastya Lake, reflecting temples, hills, and centuries of history. As the sun sets, Badami turns golden, where nature and heritage meet. Badami isn't just a destination, it's a journey back in time.